Hi, Art Oelsner with Spartan Hospitality. I'd like to talk to you today about Spartan Ice Machines. If you're like me, you want things simple. And this style of machine was designed years and years ago to be simple. Today, if you buy an American-made ice machine similar to this, your instruction manual is 49 pages long. If you buy a Spartan, it's 6 pages. 6 small pages, easy to use instructions, a little kid could figure it out. This happens to be our most popular model. It's a 500-pound head and a 275-pound bin. That means it'll make 500 pounds in 24 hours, and if you're using ice out of the bin, as soon as you pull ice out of the full bin, it'll continue to produce. If you look at a lot of American-made machines, a lot of machines that are on the market today, you'll see an electronic control panel. And if you're lucky, your 12-year-old kid can figure it out because it looks like an iPhone. 49 pages of instructions just doesn't get it done. On the Spartan Ice Machine, it has a very simple, easy to understand control panel, on-off switch, a little light that says making ice, dropping ice, inlet. It does most of the work for you, even has a clean button. The machine comes apart with 4 screws on the front and 2 on the back. If the service agent has to get into any part of the machine, it's pretty simple. The top lifts off, and both side panels simply lift out and up. These machines come out of the box, ready to be installed. Heavy-duty legs screw to the bottom, and you put the head on top of the bin. One other thing to note is that these side panels all have removable air filters so that you can easily maintain the machine. That's on both sides of the machine. No other machine offers that feature. One of the nicest things about this machine, over any machine I've sold in the past, I've sold them for 45 years, is there are no moving parts, stainless steel, and clean, easy-to-use surfaces on the inside. Here's a couple other things that are very important about this machine. It has a C-cop compressor, and what that means is if in the future you have to remove and replace this compressor, it's about a half-hour job compared to a 2 to 3 hour job on any other machine. The best part of these machines is easy installation. You do not necessarily have to call a service agent and spend a few $100s having them come to your place. You plug the machine in with its attached cord, you attach the water line with its own filter to the machine, and you run a drain that screws very easily onto the bottom of the machine. All of the parts come with the machine, including adapters. Easy install, you can do it yourself. People ask me all the time, where is this machine made? I'm proud to say it's made in China. The Chinese took the machines that we have sold here in the United States for years and made massive improvements on them. Why? Because Chinese manufacturing technology is light years ahead of the United States. When you buy a Spartan Ice Machine, you get a 2-year parts and labor and a 5-year compressor warranty. One of the best in the business. To be frank with you, I don't think you're going to use it. The machines are built that well.